Score is 96. 96 for 6 at the end of 9 overs. Again, that's another 6. Ajay again being played over the mid-wicket area. He was a bit expensive in his first over. Malav, the batsman, who's in form now. And the score moves into the hundreds for Abu Dhabi. It's 102 for 6. Short ball wide outside the off stump, and that's going to be a wide. Slow ball and put away. Another 6. That is not a no ball. Ball is way below the waist. In the end, towards long off. That's another 6. Ajay being very expensive here. Malav providing the impetus for Abu Dhabi in the end. What a show! What a show that! Oh! 4 in a row! 4 in a row! Take a bow! What a batsman! This is pure fire! Everyone put your hands together! Half century! 50! Not out! Malav gets his half century. What a 50 in style! With a huge hit out of the park. Here comes the 50 of the batsman. Umpire, new ball. Ball. I think this has been a cracker of its sort. 50 in style. Please raise your bats. Manav, very well done. 17 balls, 50. I think this is an international record. Shahid Afridi had 17 balls, 50. What a record. This is massive. This is magnificent batting. Kushal, what do you think?
It's a complete game changer. You saw the first 4 overs were very tough for Abu Dhabi, but the last 3 overs have been complete roller coaster. And it's a tough target for Bahrain as well. What do you think?
4 in a row, 2 more to go. Kushal, let's hope Yuvraj Singh comes here and Andrew Flintoff is bowling. Let's see if that happens. Stuart Broad. Oh, that's pressure. That is pressure. Pure pressure there. Wide ball here. This was the last that Bahrain wanted. This is CA final audit exam. People who have recently qualified knows this. Oh!
This is massive. Oh my God. Back-to-back sixes in this last over. ऐसे लग रहा है कि बैट्समैन के सामने ऑडिट का पेपर डाल दिया है और पूरा गुस्सा ऑडिट के पेपर का बॉल पे जा रहा है. Audit paper is in front of the batsman and he has been hitting back-to-back sixes.
This is what happens when chartered accountants mix cricket with. और यहाँ पर आप देखिए 5 in a row and 1 wide. Is this what we were expecting from a final? Absolutely yes. Full toss, and this is another six ball. Woo! Six ball, six sixes. Record. This will put Abu Dhabi in an absolute dominant position. I think unimaginable. No one could even imagine this. Six balls, six sixes, one wide.